Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't.
I promise it's gonna be easier for me. Don't worry about that. So just come with me.
Hello, Harry. I'm doing a YouTube channel.
Oh, amazing!
Yeah, and I'm gonna be on TV on Wednesday, next week Wednesday, channel 4 at 10 p.m.
Oh, amazing, Grayson!
Yes.
So you get to keep racing today.
Yes. Oh my
So
god.
just to confirm, we're going to the normal races, top and
Bottom.
How do you feel about that?
Excited.
You want colour today? What's your favourite colour?
Purple.
Amazing, let's do it!
Let's wear these glasses for us.
Is it Gucci?
One less you won't use them, right?
This is for you.
So remember this? This is just to retract your lips, okay? A bit uncomfortable.
So we are going to a concert.
You need to send me the link. We'll watch on Wednesday. Write down the link, go together. Okay. Christian's been feeling a bit uncomfortable in the okay, I'm sorry. Well done. You've done really well. You've got braces now. How do you feel?
Good.
Smile to the camera. That rings well with that one here, please.
Perfect. Hi
How do you
guys.
feel? This is
Feels weird.
a bit different now, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
So Christian, we're going to give you some instructions now.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah,
you.
we're
You are
doing more time for you to follow, okay? It's going to be really...
Feels really weird.
How you feeling?
I mean, it's not that painful, so let's see how it goes. As they say, like I won't feel the pain now, but I can feel like my speech is already weird.
Yeah, you got lisps.
Gang gang. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you holding the weight and cheek. Alright guys, so it's done now. Wasn't as bad as I thought it would have been, but I could feel like it's definitely gonna cut me up here because it's like really sharp. Kind of feel like a bit of change in my speech. So yeah, I'm excited. So here's to day 1 of a long journey. Well, not long, but a good one. So thank
18
you
months,
guys.
right?
Thank you guys. 18 months, yeah. The procedure is gonna take 18 months based on his how you say it?
Approximations?
His approximation. So hopefully it does work that way. Yeah, so it feels so weird and I have a lisp and it's like shit. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. For those of you that follow me, no, wait, hold on. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. For those of you that's been here for the first time, my name is Kristen. Please follow me on all my socials. Instagram at loveherlocks.700. For those of you returning, thank you for the love and support. Please subscribe, comment, and like, and share the video. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey.
I ain't your bitch, you gon' see a tree lane. Telling me lies, thinking you running your game. Yeah, nigga, you doing bad now.
Oh, thank you guys. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, all my pictures from behind the scenes. Oh my god. Hi. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's party then. Oh, my babies are here. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you for having us.
This is a really big thing for me. This is the first step of many. All of you guys that are here are dear to me, and I want to thank my team, Ola, for always keeping me together on the socials and everything. Kai for being my everything, my photographer, my dresser, my stylist, my weave fixer upper, my no, let's do it again. Remy for the moral support, keeping me grounded. Cordelia for keeping me on a straight and narrow, picking me up when I break down, and always being there. Shooting hell for always coming through no matter what. Thank you for everything. What you say, hairdresser? Hey, what you say, hairdresser? Chaz, for keeping the hair on my head sane, because if it wasn't for you, I don't know what would have been of in my head story, and I'm really grateful for you in my life. All of you guys here means the world. Obviously, some people couldn't be here because of the COVID regulations and whatnot, and also waiting on my cousin to come home, but she's working. So enjoy yourselves. There's food and drink, I guess. What you guys have?
Yeah, we have food. We
got
drink.
What is it? It's a Chanel.
Darling.
Oh, guys, she's about to get an orgasm.
Hey, damn.
I feel it. Ah. Baby girl.
Yes.
Okay, honey. Okay.
Actually, suck it there. What the fuck?
Okay.
Jump on it.
Do it.
Ride it. My pony. My shadow is raining. Something. Jump on it.
Bale, I'm sorry.
Okay, you just stop it.
I'll save it. I'll start again.
Okay.
Oh my god. I'm gonna come. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh my god. I'm talking about orgasm. I'm coming. Oh my god. Daddy can't come. Daddy can't come. Oh, Daddy. Seriously?
Look at this woman.
Oh my god. I see dripping down your leg. Oh shit, man. She wet.
Oh, really?
Daddy.
Yeah, I'm from this angle.
You need to come zoom in. Vlog. Not on video. Okay. Ready to see it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like this.
Yes.
Heads to second hand, but first hand for 50 grand.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. Look at it sparkle.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be that same one.
They ain't have that no more.
Oh, we haven't got no more. That's why. But I like this. This is lovely. That would look good with your pearl top.
Yes.
It makes sense.
Of course. I make sense out of nonsense.
Where does it save? I've saved
At least
it.
you
But
know
where does it
something.
save?
Press your camera on.
Is the flower for me?
Yeah, I said like some. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Everything's so good, Daddy.
No, I don't like that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am literally en route home. But I'm just so excited. Like, I'm buzzing for excitement and I can't actually wait to get home to start. I'm stuck in some traffic, so I'm like, hey, why not? Why not let me just start processing to share with you guys an update. As you guys can see in the title, I am back to discuss with you guys the update on my
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even